Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler here, and I've got this 10th and 11th century Eastern European steel mace. And it's a lovely thing. It's light, it's fast, it's incredibly responsive, and incredibly offensive as well. So it's a Kiripichkov Type 4 mace, which is kind of like being squeezed down a little bit, but the details are still there, the same as the other Type 4s really, but in a sort of a low profile format. Mounted on an ash shaft, and you can buy it either singly with the mace head on its own or mounted up as a complete unit. This, I believe, is how they were probably used. So the Eastern European, sort of Hungarian, Bulgarian kind of area. But if one is not scary enough for you, you can go up to 2 or even 3. We sell all of them. And if you're some crazy Conan the Barbarian type nutter, well, you know, just rack them all up on a stick and then you are really going to look intimidating. Obviously, when you weight all 3 of them up together, you're into the more sort of conventional mace type weights. So it is less responsive, and it definitely is, when you hit, you stay hit. It's a bit more that way. But it looks fantastic. So, Eastern European, 10th, 11th century, steel mace. Now, of course, they were making them in iron. I'm making these in a mild steel, so it's a comparable kind of hardness and material. Because don't forget, of course, it's a mass weapon. It's not anti-armor. These spikes are not getting through armor. They're about going through flesh, making a nice big impact on any male if they happen to be wearing it. And there you have them. Lovely pieces.